We are actually just finishing a several $1 million investment at the site in Seneca. And as we were doing that, we were also going to grow our workforce.
We want to make sure that we can bring in a workforce in our limited pool that we have in this area that don't have manufacturing experience and train them the way we need them to be trained.
BASF actually approached the college saying, we have this very specific need and we think that apprenticeship might be part of the solution.
Before I found out about the apprenticeship opportunity, I had actually just been gone for 5 months on military training. So when I got back, I saw the opportunity and I figured it would be a good kind of way to get my foot in the door, learn something new, and build off of it.
Looking at someone coming in with no manufacturing experience, lots of times you're told no, but this gives you the stepping stones to say, hey, I can do manufacturing and this is why. These kind of opportunities are important for people like me because we wouldn't be given the chance to work in these kind of environments otherwise.
People hear the word manufacturing and I think they get the idea that you're working on an assembly line doing the same mundane thing day after day after day, and our plant is not set up that way. And you get opportunities to do different things and learn some really neat things.
The apprenticeship program came from working collaboratively with Apprenticeship Carolina, with Tri-County Technical College.
We bring in these apprentices, train them in a classroom atmosphere to give them the understanding of the basics of manufacturing. And then we also teach them through full-time employment what they need to know at our site.
The instructors try to make the material very relatable. I feel like there's a very strong connection between BASF and Tri-County Technical College.
Our apprentices go to school for 1 year. During that time period, they are full-time employees. They go to school 1 day a week, and the rest of the week they are working at the site.
Apprenticeship Carolina helps us with the funding of that program.
On the days that I would have to go to class, I'd get that pay as my normal job day, so it was actually very nice.
I feel that the training is definitely making me more confident in my abilities, especially with this being a new field for me.
Being on the floor and understanding how those machines work together, I think it gave me a leg up.
I definitely am looking forward to the growth of the current apprentices and those that have already completed the program.
There is an enormous amount of fulfillment when I see the apprentices who are successfully completing with BASF, knowing that they are at the start of a career that can span many, many years.
I was never a very outspoken person, but through the program and all the team building exercises that we've done through the class, I've been able to speak up more and actually share ideas more. Personally, I think it's helped me grow a lot.
It has been really fun to see and hear their stories of where they came from, of why they came to us, how they feel this may have changed their lives.
Because of this apprenticeship, I am able to spend more time with my family because I can go to work during the day and come home to my kids. Having the apprenticeship built into my work schedule is very beneficial.
I love my job. I used to sit behind a desk, and this I get to actually work with machines, and I have all these benefits. I have health benefits. It's changed my life tremendously, tremendously.
Another thing that they bring to us is a different mindset. They look at things in a different viewpoint, and a lot of times they come up with ideas that we just maybe didn't think of before.
Personally, this program has benefited me because I've been able to do things that I wouldn't have been able to. I've been able to get a new car, and I've actually been able to move out from my parents quicker than I thought I'd be able to.
I'm just grateful that I got the chance to do it. My life is very different, and I like it a lot. And I wouldn't have had that opportunity had I not taken a leap of faith and applied for the apprenticeship program.
I'm really grateful for the opportunity to be a part of the apprenticeship. It's a very valuable experience for me, and I would recommend it to anybody that's looking for a change or coming right out of school or wanting to start over.